this is Sensei Boy 02 here, and before I start this video, I have some sad news. Our 4K TV stand has broken, so it's gonna be a while before we can replace it. But anyways, back to what we were doing. And this is a weird unboxing. It's actually not an unboxing because it's already open. But this is the shell package edition of TMNT Out of the Shadows on Blu-ray. Which also features a bonus Blu-ray, a DVD, and this digital code. Let's look through this. And if you're wondering if I'm claiming the videos, I always do. And some Halloween stuff, which no one cares about anymore because it's after Halloween. It's almost New Year's. Some other Paramount titles. So here's the main package, the shell package. The shell's embossed. So you open it like this. Okay. And it's in the weird thing. So we're gonna open it like this. And look at the weird placement of the discs. It's kind of a wide angle. But I'm gonna go through this all together. So there is the feature film Blu-ray. The main Blu-ray, which has the movie. And I actually bought one for someone somewhere else. And these discs are kind of hard to get out. I'm trying to not get these discs, out without trying to. I feel like I'm bending them. You'll have to use force to take these discs out. So in the middle is the DVD, which is the easiest disc to get out. And there is the bonus features disc, which is exclusive to the Target version. That was kind of easy to get out. So there is the shell package. And this shell package is also hard to close. It won't close properly.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
There, finally. So that's the unboxing. But also, there's the masks. See you later.